Natural light can completely transform the atmosphere of your home. It brightens up interiors, makes spaces feel more open, and even boosts your mood. For homeowners in West Jordan, Utah, who enjoy scenic views of the Wasatch Mountains and seasonal sunshine, installing bay windows is one of the most effective ways to bring in more natural light and elevate a home's aesthetic. Whether you're renovating an older property or building your dream home, here's how bay windows can enhance natural light and create a more beautiful, functional space in your West Jordan home. What are bay windows? Bay windows are a combination of 3 or more windows that project outward from the main walls of your home, forming a bay inside the room. This architectural feature typically includes a large fixed-picture window in the center, 2 angled side windows, often casement or double-hung. The extended design not only increases window surface area but also provides panoramic outdoor views and floods your room with sunlight from multiple directions. More sunlight from multiple angles. Unlike standard flat windows, bay windows capture light from different angles throughout the day. In West Jordan, where the sun moves across a clear sky for much of the year, this design allows you to enjoy morning, midday, and afternoon sunlight all in one room. This extra natural light reduces the need for artificial lighting, makes rooms feel larger and more inviting, highlights interior colors and decor more vividly. If you're tired of dark corners or relying on lamps to brighten your living room, dining area, or home office, a bay window can make a dramatic difference. Perfect for West Jordan's scenic views. One of the benefits of living in West Jordan is the access to stunning views, mountains, parks, and wide skies. Bay windows act as a picture frame for these landscapes, making them ideal for front-facing living rooms, kitchens, or master bedrooms. You get a wider view than with traditional windows, and the protruding design brings the outdoors closer, enhancing your connection to nature without stepping outside. Create a functional, sunlit nook. Bay windows don't just look great, they also add functional space to your home. The interior ledge or alcove they create can be transformed into a cozy reading bench, a window-side dining nook, a space to display plants or seasonal decoration, a serene workspace with natural daylight. By maximizing both form and function, bay windows give you a spot that's flooded with light and full of personality. Energy efficiency and comfort. Modern bay windows come with advanced energy-efficient features that help regulate indoor temperatures year-round. With West Jordan's cold winters and warm summers, this can make a big impact on both comfort and energy bills. Choose features like double or triple pane glass low-E coatings to block UV rays, gas-filled panes for added insulation, weather-sealed frames to prevent drafts. These upgrades let you enjoy beautiful sunlight without sacrificing energy efficiency or comfort. Boost your home's curb appeal and value. Because they're both elegant and functional, bay windows also increase your home's resale value. They create a high-end look from the outside, give your facade architectural depth, and improve curb appeal instantly. Inside, the increased light and visual interest make your home more appealing to potential buyers, especially in a competitive West Jordan market. Final thoughts. Lighten up your living space. If you're looking for a way to brighten your home, enjoy scenic views, and boost resale value, bay windows are a standout solution. They combine natural beauty with practical benefits, making any room feel more open, warm, and luxurious. For homeowners in West Jordan, bay windows offer the perfect blend of light, style, and function, all while making the most of Utah's beautiful surroundings. Ready to explore bay window installation? Contact a local window specialist in West Jordan to discuss your options and bring more sunshine into your life, one pane at a time.